gentlemen, good evening. My name is Daniel the Humorous, and I'm here to tell jokes. Oh, I just come from up now, 9th floor. As I come down, the lift stop for 5th floor. One man, they there, politely now ask him, "So are you going down?" He said, "God forbid, I cannot go down in Jesus' name. I'm just going to the ground floor." No, say we Nigerians, we are very spiritual. We suspect everything. You know that thing where they tell you, say, if they plan something, no tell anybody yet. Because if you tell the person, or if you begin to tell people, the thing will spoil. When they do that thing, Abi, that, I don't discover, say, that has been the failure of all the Nigerian government. Once they announce, we will build school, which go here and frustrate the school. We will do hospital, which go here and frustrate. Now, Buhari don't go talk the other day for economic summit. 10,000 megawatts, and they shout for TV, no! Because winch don't hear them, no light again. Make all of our politicians, make una they talk on a plan, just do a make winch surprise. Take the winch by surprise. Because una don't hear when Mark Jack said, sing here, little patience, make una dey patient on Buhari small. Because after all, check them, anything where sweet, they start with pain. Think them, the thing where you like to do now, when you start up, it no pain you. So why not they complain about Buhari? Even me, I no blame the guy. When they complain, say Buhari they travel. In the trial, me, on a wahala. If I be president, I go relocate Asoro to China. When I go come, they find me there. You never, no, say, see, when I say good luck verse, I say lose election. I see lose when Buhari call and congratulations. They no record that side. Now good luck they tell Buhari, my brother, you don't enter, you don't enter. You know, notice say all the meeting where Jonathan they get with Buhari twice now, I been 3 times. The meeting they pass 5 minutes. Because as Jonathan enter, Excellency, he sent for me. Yes, please, what do you suggest I do? I beg, leave me with Nigeria problem. I beg. He don't come out. That's why they travel. Near they even suspect say all this travel Buhari they travel. Some now they call them. Hello, Germany. Do you have conference? Even if it's for secondary school. Don't worry, I'll pay my hotel. I have presidential jet. The only reason why I never travel this Easter. Now say that Christmas for North Korea invite him. When he call a pick phone, hello? They said this is Kim. Ah, Kim Kardashian. Say no, Kim Jong-un. Now only Buhari change. The president you're calling is not available at the moment. This politics don't really show us different characters and different things so we don't see. One of the interesting characters were like governor of Imo State. Anytime that man want to talk, they talk like freedom fighter. My people, they go like my governor. I think it's not only for public, they talk like, even for house. In go house, he won't call him wife. My wife, she go holla, my husband, I cook a goosey for you today. The one who said the man don't crazy. Now one time, in go Abuja, I see one enter a room, they don't already arrange the kind of things where they like for the room. I see enter, see the way the girl said, now he holla, my shower. I shower, look at my customer. This is what we don't do with politics. Now, they've been starting last year. They don't start and begin say, hey, Buhari want to Islamize Nigeria. It can never happen. Because already, we Christians and the Muslims, we are one. We Christians, we do wedding. Muslims, they do what they call walimat nikah. We they do child dedication. Muslims, they do what they call walimat akiyah or something like that. Muslims, then they marry 4 wives. We they marry 1, get 3 girlfriends. Is it not the same thing? We are one. This support is this. Interesting characters who I like for this country. But what I've enjoyed so far in the whole last 1 year political this is now women not gonna clap for themselves. The women don't show say very soon they will take over the world. Because it remains small, we nearly get the first female governor for this country. And I'm afraid. Because when I small, we hear behind every man there's a woman. Now we don't hear beside every man there's a woman. If we don't hold them, in another 10 years we are in front. It you like joke now. Until that time, or you just imagine saying now, your wife become governor of Delta. Now she go security meeting, construct road. When Super Eagles come, now she the receiver. Then you, with your baby, you come be first gentleman. You come to go children party, Catholic women conference. Before you know, you don't the tie rapper. When Linda Ikeji come visit, now you go receive her. Let's hold these women. But women are the best for now. Because upon us, how una want take over everywhere, we still not get enough female gynecologists. It annoy me. Woman, when you marry with your own money, give them belly. Don't give belly no easy. Apart from Two-Face. It's not easy for other people. To Baba. You go carry your wife inside your motor where you buy with your own money. Carry, go give another man in the name of gynecologist. Gynecologist go, open your wife. Do things. Now you go still pay her. He get the gynecologist do my wife. I tell her, say, oh, find me 30K, I beg. This thing where you do, I need to hold something. No, it's not fair. Now when they tell me, when my wife won't born, then they tell me, say, take your wife to teaching hospital. The doctors in teaching hospital, no. I use wisdom, say, no, I will go private hospital. Because I don't go see my uncle when he get chest problem for teaching hospital. Teaching hospital in a school on his own. Consultant, they work out with like 16 students. As they meet, as they come my uncle bed, they say, Mr. Walker, how are you? He said, I'm fine. He said, how's your chest doing today? He said, I'm feeling pains this way. He looked at the students. Students, when somebody is feeling pain this way, what does it mean? They say, sir, it means the parallelogram of the Instagram is beginning to affect the oxymorous circumstances. It's okay, good. He asked the other guy, so James, when he's having that, what do? We give him 400 milligrams of pessimycin and indomycin. I can't imagine. So now, so for carrying my wife, go now. When my wife won't born, her labor long, past 3 shifts. Now so 3 different doctors, they come, they check, they come, they check. By the 4th doctor that say, come, wait till they check, man, follow that check. So now so consultant for come carry 17 students. Come where my wife, they say, madam, how are you doing today? Let us see the dilation. Students, when the dilation is 8 centimeters, what does it mean? All of you come and check one by one. God forbid. But no verse time, no day. So we have to rush sharply. I just want to treat on 1 or 2 issues. Men, need to allow yourself fall under unnecessary pressures. Your wife every time you go to worry yourself. My wife reading my text message, you put password to this. Now you cause up. The idle mind is devil workshop. Your wife no get work, now make. Forget. No be to open shop. No. Find office work for your wife. And make the office work no near your house. If you stay for Lekki, find work for your wife for like Okoko. By the time she enter traffic for morning, enter traffic, come back. Now you're going to tell her, can you check my phone? Leave me, I want to sleep, I beg. Avoid problem. Men, when they put yourself under pressure, they say, hey, don't mind that man. He used to come quick. He used to come quick. He used to come late. Rubbish. Anybody where they come late, no unemployment, they cost them. As Dangote today go on the whoa, 2 hours when there's refinery to build. Don't waste time unnecessarily on what do you mean? Men, the only way you can be comfortable with this thing in life, everything you have to practice. Even this comedy, with the practice inside house. So when you're there alone for your house, you practice with your here. You understand? Because see, the essence of practicing this thing is you do it like 3 times. No, make it not turn out to habit. Just do it like 3 times. After the 3rd attempt, you now know what is called your arrival number. That arrival number helps you. I don't check my own at 75. Some people own, they reach 400, some own at 11. My own at 75. What that helps you to do, once you know your number, you're comfortable with it. When you are in the field of action, when you start, they don't lose focus. Be counting in your mind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As you worry, 72, 73, 74. You pull out. You reset. You do like BlackBerry. You go back again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then be creative. Sometimes you use me now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30, 40, 50, 60, reset. And women, Una also have to help us in this regard. We understand, say, Una own the long past our own. So also you to practice on your own. So that any day we meet, I ask you, what is your arrival number? You say 300. I say, good. Mine is 75. So you start to warm up. By the time you do to 225, I join you at that point. We meet at the 300 together. Everybody is happy. Thank you very much.